New product AutoGate Stepless Butterfly Float. AutoGate Stepless Butterfly Float to save lives from floods. AutoGate is a floodgate that prevents backflow of the river into the embankment or levee during a flood. Like our previous product AutoGate Stepless Butterfly Float is a gate opening and closing automatically with a balance weight and achieves reliable opening and closing operation, taking advantage of the water level difference. Swinging rubber, the bottom edge and inner float mechanism. Swing rubber on the bottom edge and the inner float mechanism enable watertight opening and closing in the condition that the waterway floor is flat. By putting swinging rubber on the door's lower end, the watertight rubber does not collide with the bottom of the waterway when fully closed, and enables water tightness on the lower part even if there is no step in the waterway. This swing-type watertight rubber performs automatic opening and closing operation when the inner float installed on the front of the door is linked with the door body by water. Next, let's look at the mechanism of automatic opening and closing. Backflow preventive function. When the normal water level is low, the initial opening degree of about 10 degrees is maintained by the door body self-weight and balance weight like our previous product AutoGate. The swing rubber on the bottom also keeps the open state, ensuring the open gap between the lower end of the gate and the waterway floor. When the outside water level rises due to the increase in water, the door body closes by the water pressure and the buoyancy of the back float. As the water level rises further, the swing rubber of the bottom edge completely closes in accordance with the operation of the inner float. Even if there is no water flow from the outside water level side, the gate completely shuts down as the water level rises. Now, let's see the state of the backflow preventive test. In this test, we assume that the outside and inside water levels rise almost simultaneously. We would like to confirm that the gate is completely closed at a depth of 70% to 80% of the outlet height, even if there is no water flow. It was confirmed that the water level rose up and the gate closed at a depth of about 70%. The swing rubber on the bottom edge closed at a depth of about 80, which means that the rise in the inside water level was clearly suppressed. Drainage function. When the flood is over and the outside water level becomes lower than the inside water level, the swing rubber of the bottom edge as well as the door body opens according to the outside water level. When the difference of water level is getting bigger, the gate is opened up by the effect of balance weight and the drainage is carried out. Now, let's see the state of drainage test. When the outside water level is getting lower than the inside water level, the swing rubber on the bottom edge opens at the same time of door body's opening. As the water level difference increases, the gate widely opens and starts to drain. The gate widely opens by the action of the balance weight. Even the gap of water level is just about 1 to 2 centimeters. The AutoGate Stepless Butterfly Float is so-called a revolutionary technology that eliminates the need for steps in the waterway. We hope you make the most of using our AutoGate Stepless Butterfly Float, which has achieved the automation of floodgates in a true sense.